We need to determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of a parallelogram having the vertices -2, -1, 1, 0, 4, 3, and 1, 2. Let us begin. So here, let's say we have a parallelogram with vertices A, B, C, and D. Coordinates of A, let it be -2, -1. Coordinates of B, 1, 0. Coordinates of C, let it be 4, 3, and coordinates of point D, let it be 1, 2. Now, next step, what we'll do, we will join the vertex A and C. That's going to give us the diagonal AC, and similarly, we will join B and D to get the diagonal BD. So our goal will be to determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of a parallelogram. That means we need to find out the coordinates of this particular intersection point, E. So what we'll do, first we will obtain the midpoints of the diagonal AC. So here midpoint of the diagonal AC, that's going to be, so what we'll do for finding the x coordinate, we will sum up the x coordinates of the endpoints. So the endpoints have the x coordinates -2 and 4. So let's add them up, -2 plus 4, and then we divide it by 2. Fine. Then for the y coordinate, we're going to take the sum -1 and 3, and we're going to divide it by 2. So that gives us a value 1, 1. Similarly, we'll obtain the midpoint of the diagonal BD. BD, so that will be, so we take the sum of the x coordinates first, so that's 1 plus 1 divided by 2. And then we take the sum of the y coordinates, so that's 0 plus 2 and divided by 2. So that's also giving us 1, 1. Now clearly we observe here that the midpoints of both AC and BD have the same coordinate value, 1, 1. So that means they are bisecting each other, and indeed the coordinate of the intersection of the two diagonals, that will be 1, 1.